Hello guys, welcome to Deep Codes, and in today's video we will discuss LeetCode question 1137 that says nth Tribonacci number. So here we are given a Tribonacci sequence of n numbers, and the definition of Tribonacci sequence is defined as the starting element or the zeroth index is 0, first index element is 1, second index element is 2, and for further all the index we need to do summation of last three numbers. Let's say for t of n plus 3 we need to do t of n plus t of n plus 1 plus t of n plus 2 for all n greater than equal to 0. So yeah, we would be given one n, and we need to give the output of the fourth number in this Tribonacci sequence. Got it? So here let's say we are given n4. So first what we do, we found see 0, t of 0 is 0, t of 1 is 1, t of 2 is 1, then we found t of 3. T of 3 is what? Summation of before three elements that we did, 0 plus 1 plus 1. Now t of 4 is what? T of 3 plus t of 2 plus t of 1. So this t of 1 is 1, t of 2 is 1, and t of 3 is 2. So it's 4. So we return 4 as our output. Similarly, for a large number n is equal to 25, we do this. So let's say if you are given n equal to 7, then for n0 our output is 0, n1 our output is 1, n2 our output is 1, n3 our output is summation of these last three, that is 0 plus 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 4 it is summation of last three, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4, and 5 is similarly summation of last three, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, and 6 would be 7 plus 4, 11, plus 2, 13, and n7 would be 13 plus 7, 21 plus 4, 25. So this would be our answer. Got it? So yeah, we would code it straightforward, like we would take three elements, a0, a1, a2, and for a3 we would add a0 plus a1 plus a2. Yeah, we will just take these three variables and keep updating them, right? And that's how now we would proceed to the code. So yeah, let us first start by taking the base cases. That is, if n equals to 0, then what we would do, we would simply return 0. In the else if n equals to 1 or n equals to 2, then we would simply return 1. In the else condition, we would do the logic, right? So firstly, let me take that number of times the loop we will run is n minus 2 times, because before that we have already handled the base condition. So let's say for n equal to 3, we have to run a loop only one time. Why? Let me show you. See, a1 is 0, not a1, a0 is 0, a1 is 1, and a2 is 1, right? And we need to find further answer. So let me first initialize answer as 0. Now while loop minus minus what we would do, we would simply update answer equals to a0 plus a1 plus a2, right? And then what we do, we would simply update a0. So now the new a0 would be a1, right? a1 would be a2, and a2 would be our new answer. Got it? So what we did, here it's n0, n1, n2. For n3 we calculated the sum, right? Now for n4, n1 the zeroth element or the first element became n1, the second element become n2, and the third element becomes this answer, that is n3. Got it? That is the simple thing we are doing here. And in the end, what we would do, we would simply return answer, right? And here, just to handle the return cases, we would simply return 0, so that it doesn't throw an error that the function don't have a return statement. So yeah, the test cases are passed. Now let me try to submit this. Okay, so our code got accepted. I hope you guys understood the question and the approach. Yeah, it was a pretty much simple and straightforward approach without thinking of anything else. It was a direct approach. The time and space complexity. The time complexity for the code is big O of n, and the space complexity is big O of 1, because we are not storing any of the further elements, we are just taking variables. So yeah, that's the time and space complexity for this question. And I hope you guys understood this. So yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also I'm posting the job opportunities in the community section on this channel, so make sure you watch that out. Yeah, so yeah, thank you.